Vlogmas day 1. I almost did that. That would have made it 2, but happy Vlogmas day 1. It's December. I can't believe it's December. Like, honestly, crazy. This year just flew by so fast. Honestly, I can't even. But it's December. I love December because it's so festive and like you can be cozy, but then it's also so cold. So it's like a win-lose situation because it's cold, but then it's fun and festive. Anyways, today's vlog is probably going to be a small one. It's already 6 p.m. I'm getting a late start to this vlog. It's going to be more of a chatty one, I think, because I don't have much content for you guys today. Literally yesterday we had family over and they left pretty late, and then we slept pretty late, and I woke up literally at 1:30 today. It's Sunday though, so you know I could sleep in, but I literally woke up at 1:30 today. Alright, a little change of scenery because my sister walked into my room. She wanted to like do her makeup a little bit, and I just felt like she would be noisy, so I just moved into her room here. And let me continue what I was talking about. So I was saying that I woke up at 1:30 today. I was just so sleepy, and we went to bed late anyways last night, and I just needed that sleep. But then today has been a chill day. We've been doing nothing at all. I've been chilling completely. But we do have a family friend coming over in a little bit, so it's gonna be a chill evening as well. We're gonna chill. The Raptors are playing tonight, so we'll just watch that and just hang out for a bit. I think we'll have pizza for dinner, but that's kind of like the plan for today. So it's gonna be a short but probably chatty vlog because I'm just gonna talk a little bit more, but tomorrow's vlog should hopefully be better. You guys, I am back in this spot that I was in a little while ago. It is now 10:53 p.m. Not me looking over there when I have literally my watch on to look at the time, but it's 10:53. Our family friend just left a little bit ago, so we watched the Raptors game, we had pizza, and then after, my sister has been wanting to watch Encanto again, and we've already seen it, like me, my sister, and my brother, but she wanted to watch it with the family, and so we just watched it all together with our family friend. They did leave like when there was like 45-ish minutes left, so we watched the rest without them, but it was nice seeing the movie again. My mom really loved it. But that's kind of like what our night has been going like. Right now I might spend some time coloring. I've really gotten obsessed with coloring recently, and actually we've been busy like the past 2 days, so I've not really had the chance to color, so I will probably spend some time coloring. I literally bought Ohuhu markers and I've been loving using them. These are my first pair of alcohol markers and they're just so good, so I'm very excited to do some coloring for the night, and then I'll just like, you know, get ready for bed, do my skincare and stuff, and head to bed. But tomorrow's vlog should be a better one, and not as boring and short as today's one. It's editing me here, and I was just editing this video, and currently it's literally just a 4-minute vlog, so that is so boring. So actually yesterday when this vlog was filmed, my brother was working on building a PC, which I was gonna mention, but I didn't end up mentioning it. But he has bought all the parts and he's working on building like a PC. It's his first attempt, and he was recording a bunch of it to show his friends, and then his friends also showed up around 4 p.m. and they hung out with him while he was doing that. But to make this vlog a little longer, I'll include a couple of clips of him building this PC. Although I don't really think that it's gonna make the vlog much longer. It's probably gonna be like 30 to 60 seconds longer, but I still want to add something because this is such a short and boring vlog. Also, I wanted to mention that if you possibly watched any of my vlogs from last Vlogmas, or if you're like going through my channel right now, you'll see that I only had 7 Vlogmas vlogs uploaded last year. And the thing is, I filmed every single day of Vlogmas. I just never edited and uploaded all of those vlogs. And I really wanted to, like towards the end of those 7 vlogs that I uploaded, I was getting delayed already of posting them, just because I was getting delayed of editing them. And then December just got away from me, and I never like finished editing the next vlog, and then all the vlogs I had left over. And then January came and I was like, I'm gonna edit and upload these. Never ended up happening, and then months kept passing by, and you know, they never got uploaded. I even had vlogs that I recorded after Vlogmas. I never edited those either. And honestly, just throughout the year, you know, life got busy, so I never really edited and posted. But this year I am back and stronger. I'm going to stick to a routine. I am going to upload every single day of Vlogmas. I will not be stopping in between, I promise. I'm like making myself a routine and strategy and everything to make sure that I end up editing and posting these daily. So no worries, I will post every single Vlogmas vlog this year. Anyways, I'm going to include those PC building clips right now. There's not that many, but there are a few, so I'll include that in case any of you are interested, and also just to make this vlog just a little bit longer for you guys. But then after that I won't come back to say goodbye. That'll just be where the vlog ends. But I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.